I'm gonna push Chris down a 1,000-foot hill.
Safe, right? Our family doesn't like heights, so what better place to face our fears than the only zorbing park in the USA?
I would probably scream. This is so scary.
Do you know that you're old enough we can all go? You wanna go?
What?
Yeah? You wanna go?
Oh, what is it for?
5 enough? You gonna go? Do you wanna go with Daddy?
The boys are in, which means now Morgan is too.
Now we're all roped into doing that.
Yeah, that's not going back now.
Now the joke's on me.
There are 3 different courses. We're going to start with the easiest one, and if we can handle it, we'll progress to the hardest one.
Hey, Jonah, which one are you going to go on, mate?
Red.
Okay. That'd be fun.
Ready?
Not yet. I think they're putting water in it first.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Go ahead. Run and jump in there.
Tell Mom and Dad not to do it.
Too late, mate. They're probably coming down. What do you think Jude's thinking right now? I imagine Morgan is too.
I hated it.
I guess as much, mate. Keep going. There you go. Keep going, Morgan.
Woo! It was 100 times scarier than I thought. Put my hand over my nose and then breathe and then put my hand over my nose.
I can't believe you did it though, Mr. Brave Man. Does it feel cool that you did it?
They're bad who waffle my.
I'm challenging Chris to go through the biggest, scariest one now. He handled that one with ease, so I think he could do the big one now. What is it, 25 miles an hour? Will you do it?
I don't know. I'll do it, but they said you were airborne most of the time.
Do you think you'll puke?
I hope not. I did have some Moroccan stew before we came there.
Morgan and the boys are out. They've had their adrenaline rush for the day. But I'm feeling more adventurous, and I'm skipping to the most intense one. The one they won't even let you ride until you tried at least one of the easier courses. For disclosure, I definitely have the weakest stomach in our family. Things could get messy.
Has anybody ever thrown up on one of these before?
Actually, we have a sterling record. Surprisingly,
Really?
I'm even shocked myself.
Dad's gonna die. He's going airborne.
Scarier?
No, it wasn't scary. Oh, it was fun.
I'm all wet. Can you hug?
Had a lot of crazy adventures.
I just got dry.
The further we step outside of our comfort zones, the closer we become as a family. We're all a little braver, completely exhausted, and ready to go on our next adventure in Tennessee.
Oh my gosh, careful, Chris. Don't go too fast.
Have my sign.
Thank you.